Americans pay taxes every day, and while taxpayers in Alabama are paying even more, particularly when it comes to local sales tax, we have our Nixon Norman to tell us. Nixon, do we have some of the highest rate in the country?
Kanisha, we absolutely do. Alabama is among the top 5 states with the highest average local sales tax rate, sitting at 5.25%. Seeing the words highest and rate together in a sentence can be concerning. So let me explain these higher sales tax rates now. Let's watch. The combined rate of state and local sales tax equals out to 9.25% here in Alabama.
In Alabama, while we have one of the highest sales tax rates, we actually have the lowest property tax per capita as far as collections go. We don't necessarily want to pay higher sales tax. It's just that's the political reality we're in with having things like property taxes and income taxes nailed down in the Constitution. It's just those are the things that are easier to change. So those are the ones that see increases.
While Alabama's property tax rate sits at 0.41%. There's a reason why property tax here in Alabama or income taxes elsewhere can remain so low.
They're both enshrined in the Constitution. So there are caps on property taxes. So you would need legislative approval and a vote by the public to get that to change. It's much easier to change sales taxes.
For example, folks living and working in Tennessee do not have to pay an individual income tax.
So like our neighboring Tennessee, they don't have, the income tax for people work in Tennessee. So they may be able to charge a little bit higher of a sales tax because the revenue has to come from one way or the other way.
So bottom line, state and local sales tax can sometimes get on up there, especially if other taxes in said state are not bringing in the needed tax revenue to properly put back into the community.
State and local government doesn't get the revenue from, say, properties, then they may impose some higher sales tax.